Yes, now. You know whether they say hello before, you know go say hi. I go know what you go do now. Yes.
I can't be now.
I be now. Pharmsavi, they ask you, I be now. All right. So moving forward, we get Pharmsavi in the building.
Pharmsavi, yeah, it's so happy to be here.
I need make you wear your headphones, and of course, Kess.
Should I?
Hi,
Yes.
hi everybody. What's up, FM?
We did all right.
Oh, nice to be here.
Welcome. And the first things first, you go feel be if you send us questions, if we get time, we go feel take them book because we they run along. You know, say they get plenty of other things where the guys do. Okay, so make I start from you, Kess. I want to talk about your vibe in the building when you work into the show and all that.
Yeah.
I like the everything on how you be agree with your partner to come the show, and then he give you that, you know, he been hand you over that green leaf. Go ye and take over the land.
Multiply.
Let me even talk that one, but of course, if you talk about it's all good. So I love that. Number one, but number two, inside that matter, I want to ask you straight up. Now, because you get partner, make you withdraw yourself from so many other things where other people they do. Now, because of that,
So initially, I went to the house with the strategy of just chilling for the first 2 weeks.
try with my pigeon small.
Okay, I go to the house I just chill for the first 2 weeks. But not really. I'm not a very sporty person.
Okay.
I'm a very chilled person, very relaxed, very laid back. I do things that are very important to me. I do things really very important to me. You know, so it wasn't because I was married. That was why I was laid back, and I wasn't actually laid back.
But now how would you know? So now we they watch.
So if you ask every housemate in my level, they will tell you for a fact that I was like one of the
I
people in
better
the
try
house.
speak pidgin.
No, leave him. He they warm up.
See, if you
I
ask
know.
everybody from my level, you go tell you say that me be one of the people for the house where like say they worry everybody. But I can't come outside because they say I they hide, you know.
And no be how
I know
we
too.
view, and now I tell you,
Yeah.
we would they see different from waiting you think say you they bring.
Yeah, my energy in the house, inside the house, mad.
All right,
Yeah.
Imad. Okay, so we'll move to you Pharmsavi. I love your attire, and of
Thank
course,
you.
as you come in, boom, the whole vibe
I
will go
know,
on 100.
like, see, Churchill.
Yeah, that kind of thing. So make I talk about you now. I don't want to talk say you for my hands small, but I must also acknowledge. So when you enter inside that house, I watch you with some kind of movement with Amaka. Suddenly, I don't see the movement again. Then fast forward to few before you been come out now. I been notice one kind thing about Diana, mademoiselle.
Yeah.
And then they been tell you something about her age, and you're like, you know what do again? Pharmsavi, what thing happen?
Okay, the truth is, say when I enter the house, you know, Amaka, me and Amaka will be in a vibe, you understand? But I can't like they make Amaka no say almost see as he be, see as he no be. Me and you will like make we run 1 or 2s, you understand?
Yes.
That kind of matter now.
Yes.
But Amaka just dey give me that almost, you know, they interested.
You feel like say she don't really feel you?
Yeah, I don't really know, but then at some point Amaka they tell me say me I dey be like person to dey smile, maybe I just dey joke with her, like I know they serious and all. Even when I let her know say me I dey serious and all, she say no, me I be like oh no they serious, because me and Christy we still dey vibe because Christy
Yes.
we been
Why
dey close.
you jump me now? You for wait for me now, because now still that same seat where then now where Christy all day. When I dey ask am,
I see what you dey try do.
when I dey ask am about Pharmsavi, he dey talk one thing. Since you don't carry us on that table, there we go. So that Christy O matter, was he like he dey real? I be no dey real. Tell me as you link them up now.
Okay, the truth be say me and Christy we dey vibe well for the house. Like Christy na person where they really dey show me say she deal like even
She
from
dey.
the very first day, the kind green light where she be the throw give me, you understand? So I been but then me I be say okay, make I since I don't dey like Amaka, make I follow Amaka reason and all. But then as Amaka come dey give me say she know like dey onto my matter, I can say okay, no wahala. Because you can't even get where she can't dey irritating, tell me say because she tell me I just dey sad, because say me I dey try dey bring up pity strategy and all. Now make me just give her the space of abeg this girl before she go see me finish for the house. But then before I can say make I can't go reason
Diana.
Christy, no
Okay.
Christy
Christy O.
like Christy O had like already
They
know
don't
she
come
left,
out
yeah,
am.
they don't come out and
Yes.
all. Then for Diana na one sweet girl me they show me love, like
Yeah, she be one sweet girl where they show you love, and then you been show your interest, but wetin make when they mention her age you come out?
No, before they even mention her age, like gimme, you know,
Yes.
say for the Saturday night party, I come outside, say make I control 1 or 2 lines for Diana, whether
Okay.
this ship go fit sail well.
Okay.
But I can't say Diana and Rachel, then they get issues, that they banter words like, hey,
Oh, yeah?
this one, this one. So when they got them someone based on Giddy Fire,
Giddy Fire.
the team break matter. I was like,
Thank you, say you cleared up. So not be because of her age, now because of Giddy Fire. And
Exactly. Then when they see tell me her age, I was like, based on say even my mind don't already they come up. Based on say I know say maybe her heart.
So you could come on hand totally.
Exactly. So I just bring the
now
whole
I
matter.
understand. I thought I go ask you. So Kess, back to you.
Yeah.
What do you think about so many ships where they inside that house? And I also want to understand the situation between you and Ilebaye, huh?
Yeah, Ilebaye.
Under that this thing. Make I call the name.
For the ships where they
First of all, for the ships, then Ilebaye. No miss Ilebaye for me.
the ships they annoy me honestly. All the ships, okay, apart from Khalid and Daniela.
You Khalid and Daniela.
Yeah, I think say that one did genuine.
Yes.
But the other ships they annoy me because they make the guests they feel. You know, you can't go party, no see guests to dance with. So everybody they form one kind of ship. I've been a kid, no, I don't know. But anyways, Ilebaye is like she be like my younger sister. Whatever you wanna see for the video was that it happened on a Saturday night after we don't drink.
Okay.
She
drink and you drink too.
Yeah.
Okay, but you hold your control there your side.
I know they ever drink. Say I can't lose guard myself.
Okay.
You know, but there was alcohol in the system.
Okay.
Whatever you saw was just her being influenced by alcohol. She respects me. She respects my wife.
Okay.
She respects my marriage. So I'm not sure she would do anything to.
But your wife tell you say make you free yourself.
Yeah, but yes, but I be man of principle. I be man of discipline. So whether I did married or I not did married, I for not good they go misbehave.
You think say to get ships inside that house, they affect the way the show they go?
Because Khalid they ship now and they come out. So it's not about ship. I'm not saying a ship now. The ship no matter. Like me, if I not did married before,
yes,
if I just go there, just flirt around, just enjoy myself, have fun. So yeah, that's it.
He be part of really. Okay, so make I talk about so many the level 1, level 2 thing. I now they don't merge them. Everybody don't date together. I can't be like say they just kickstart the show.
Yeah.
Tell me how you been feel at the different level where when I been there at this time, and you think so now because you did that level now why you get a nomination and then they evict you. You think say if the show be they run together, merge from the beginning, you for know the way you did now.
Yeah, if we start the way it did now.
Yeah.
I for did that house fish maybe the final week.
Whoa.
Because I've ever escaped nomination till that time.
I swear. Even
for real?
Yeah.
Even you fan for
yeah, even for me, because you know, say when we first enter the house, like Big Baby Bree, that's Brian.
Yeah, Brian.
Yeah, my guy, he was like, see this guy, and I ain't go win, oh, this guy no get issues. This guy's always smiling, they always a shine teeth, and even beauty self confirm I'm like, if people they nominate people, they no go even reason Pharmsavi say they won't nominate them. So me, I was pretty very sure that if it was one house, Cheche, probably I know say I go reach top 5. They trust me, but as it be now, man, the level 1 and level 2 team, and to can't get HOH can't be hard luck for us. So
so it been affect everything.
Yeah, it affected the whole lot. Trust me, Cheche.
The game now affect us.
All right, Pharmsavi, you think that some people they hide their real personality or they hide to play in the game because some people feel like if they don't remember my name, they're not gonna nominate me.
I swear, because even for the house, I can't guys call out like everybody say, I beg, more they try to put body for this thing because you know, say that first week where Kali try Rich and Saif as they call their name, some people just I even suspect Sake say he called the draw bodies make them no come to notice you understand and all. So I was like, I beg more they try, though I know say Sake tried his best and all. In fact, everybody tried their best, but it's like they say maybe now our destiny or a hard luck. I swear, you know,
because when we get 2 against 1, we still
lose. So it's it was draining. Even me myself at some point I they like waiting they happen, waiting they solve.
All right, so make I talk about Kess, make I talk about you and beauty. I see the energy where you put in to stop waiting happen. All right, and so I also know when they been evicted, I also see how you been feel. But tell me, what you been foresee what thing go happen in front if say now why you put on so much energy to stop her?
Yeah, I did. From the first week, I like Beauty. I love Beauty a lot.
Okay.
She be one of my favorite housemates for the house. One of my favorite person. I like Groovy too. Despite the fact say they play the game.
Yes.
From the start of the show, when they come start to the couple up, I sense and say this thing, jig like that. I sense Wahala good day, trouble good day. And for the first week, she gets strike.
Yes.
So I try my best to talk to her. Beauty is very opinionated.
Yes, she is.
I tried my best to tell her the truth because that's what I do. But it happened the way it happened. I think that was what was meant to happen. Now, what's supposed to happen, now it happened. So I never see her. I pray she's okay. I pray she she heals
really affect her that much and she heal. So but who you they root for inside that house?
My person for the house when I want make it win, Nafina.
Why?
I think she just today real.
She did real.
I think she did original. Because we don't see Fina as the one way they
But since you talk about Fina now, tell me what you think about Fina and Groovy.
I like Fina, I like Groovy, but the relationship I think say no make sense to me because of the situation we happened before.
Because of Beauty
situation. And for the fact say Beauty before she go, she did tell me say Fina get eye for Groovy, all this kind of thing.
Yes.
And as soon as she just come on, not reach 2 days, I'll be how many days.
But you think say Groovy they play game?
Yes, Groovy they play the game. Groovy they play the game very well. And I'm happy. I did happy say they work for them.
All right, so we'll go talk about what next for you. But make we meet at Pharmsavi. Make we talk about you. I want to make you tell me directly what you think about Bella and Sheggz relationship. You suppose they're very blunt with me, but I want to hear from Pharmsavi.
Okay, to some extent, Bella and Sheggz relationship can't the day one kind like. Can't the day say one day annoying because like for party now
they say all of una hate them una not like them why una they practice hate inside that house?
Me not like I know hate them, just that the whole relationship seem been just a day annoying, but nobody say I hate them. I like at least me and Bella don't do 1 or 2 tasks together.
Yeah, but what if they annoy you go for that relationship?
Okay for party now when everybody they vibe, you understand? There was even a time
they
Bella
do 2 aside inside Biggie house.
You understand Sheggz just a Kolobi the girl, go everyone make niggas still dance because even the first week before this thing really gets strong, I know so I follow Bella dance now cool. But after that time, if you dey near around so Sheggz they carry body they come like na me and this girl.
Yes, you feel the same way.
If I get my chance, I go there drag their 2 for month. Not because I hate them but I think say for the show that relationship no make sense because it make them just for each other. They know they explore, they know they.
And this na house where they filled up with people.
Yeah, where you go to show yourself, show how far, how you did, or what you there about. They just did one side, and it's so annoying. I swear.
I know. Say okay. Let me keep my mouth. But who you they root for?
Okay, for me, that routine thing, because I know say I be never really take time scrutinize the whole thing before.
But who you gbadu in game? How you they play?
Say me Fina and Big Baby Bree too are they gbadu in game. Those are my guys, so I also they enjoy in game too, but I still they see in fact it's in they go, so I just see 2 of them like Fina and Big Baby Bree.
Right. And Brian, I don't get the opportunity to interview him. He be an artist and a couple of songs playing here also, so I go there quite excited. They're very happy for him and we're in the head too. But why in everything one they talk about Elo Swag? Why?
Elo Swag, my guy from Delta State too.
Your guy, but he was my roommate, bro. Like
I know why I mentioned Elo Swag. Why? Just tell me one thing. Tell me one thing like this. Why go feel hold for hand about Elo Swag?
I will like about time or waiting me. I feel
about the game.
Me, I no go lie. I know say as much say na game. Me and this guy we don't really bond. We don't really talk a lot. Like this na guy and I don't really practically tell and so much. I get this money, see my plans, my family like this, and they look up to me and you understand. If when he share with your own story and we practically bonded. When we say we also once we enter the house, we now one now we call ourselves cousins. Say this is my cousin. We just meet for a year and all.
Yes.
So if for me, this is a person I would like to see in like top 5. If I get options, say okay. Except say guy, if not be hello swag, you understand?
Yes.
So that was how I saw the whole thing. But then the guy nominates me. It is what it is, man.
I know they go when I ask question. The guy, but na game it be, right?
Yeah, that's why I said na still game. But then even as passing a game, it could make us see the yeah, you understand? Like I brought fun, on
behalf of fellow swag, I apologize. Because I like him too. All right. But moving forward, that because of me, please forgive him. So moving forward, now what you would expect from Pharmsavi?
Okay, like moving forward, as I say before, I went into the house as a pharmacist. That's why Pharm joined my name. Like Pharmsavi.
Yeah. Thank you. Say you clarify that name for me.
Yeah. So Pharm, like pharmacist, Savior, and I be my name. Akpan, Savior Akpan. So
Pharmsavi. Wonderful name.
I know, right?
Now I know. Why not tell us inside the house?
I talk I explain everything, give them like
I missed that part.
Yeah. So I don't talk as I go into the house, as I get the money. There are a lot of pharmaceutical industry I want to head put, like own my own chains of pharmacy. Then I want to have my brand like importation, exportation, and of my own pharmaceutical brand. Awesome. Then I also want to have an NGO that will be focused on drug misuse, drug abuse, and most importantly mental health. This not things where we say I don't interact with people for pharmacy, and not what I know, so we really need to focus on for the country.
Awesome.
Then clinical research. I was even taking a course. I'm going to take a course on clinical research before I went into Big Brother house. Now something I would also like to go into to like explore. Then real estate. I also want to do real estate. Then lastly, also open to the entertainment industry. You understand? So yeah, but then I'm focusing more on the whole pharmaceutical thing. You understand?
All right. I would like to take this break. One more, like 2 minutes into, and when we come back, we'll go feel wrap up sharply. Lagos, I did very sorry, so I know if you take your questions, but a little video, and I know say digital go like do 1 or 2 things now in their reels. Lagos, once we come back, it'll be time for us to wrap up. We get the BBN season 7 evictees in the building, and of course, Kess and Pharmsavi. Now you know the full meaning of that Pharmsavi. Yeah. Kess, and I know actually on.
My full name Kessiana.
Yeah. Beautiful name. All of you carry wonderful name in the house. Come they cut up and down.
Yaba, Ikeja, Ikorodu, Oshodi, Aja, Mushin, Lekki. Something big going on this August.
Wazobia Chukumat community. Oyame gather all the Wazobia fans. Come join body with Wazobia FM OLPs. Plenty games go day, Jolly Match go day, Hype go day, Dance go day, Question and Answer go day, Giveaway go day. Everything yafun, all for you, our fans.
The date now 27th of August 2022. Time now 12 p.m. to 4 p.m.
The venue na Crystal Car Parking Center. We're there for Sabo inside Yaba for Lagos.
Wazobia Chukumat community. This one go loud. No misser.
Proudly sponsored by Minimi Instant Noodles.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk and I go there and they wait for them to come. Now this my table, all of us go settle and we'll make we shadow fight that day. All right, Lagos, welcome back. Time for us to draw the curtain, but we still the talk with Pharmsavi and the Kess inside the building. I'm so sorry for all the questions when I don't send in. We know if you take them because of time, because the guys give me one gist or the other. I know the gist just take the time. Okay, so wrapping up, Kess, we'll go come back to you, right? Moving forward now, we know say you get so many things where you get for hand and honor. Meanwhile, have you spoken to our love?
Yeah.
I guess call her our love now because like all of us marry her when you enter out. You say our wife. I want to suppose they call her now.
I have.
And I don't talk.
We don't talk. Everything is good.
Okay.
It did very difficult when I come.
She like how you play the game.
She, at the end of the day, she can't get to understand. Say, I dey play a game. And at the end of the day, nobody go fit to say I not respect myself or I not do like married man supposed to do for the house.
But yes, married man supposed to do. Yes.
So where they come from, the kind of family where they come from, the kind of
I've been in
person
Nigeria, you be they look for face.
Oh, Nigeria. No, it's everywhere that put us, not me.
Okay.
Whether inside, whether outside, whether married or not.
Okay.
Not me.
So she did okay with how you play?
Yeah. She did very okay, and we are very good.
You sure say if she complain about something, you go tell me.
About something?
Yes.
Yeah, I go tell you now. Why not?
So she no complain about anything.
She tell me say initially, when she see me they dance, when she see some girls they grind me, when she see me for a party, they see me they peck some people, say they feel some kind way. But at the end of the day, she can't understand say I they play game. So that old Ilebaye video kind of make her feel say, okay, maybe this guy, what he do. So yeah, we did very okay.
Awesome.
Yeah.
But I noticed that this set no to play truth or dare. Now because of the color B where everybody they do.
Truth or dare.
Yes.
Yeah, at some point.
You feel like that too?
Yeah.
Why are not too involved on herself for truth?
Because say a guy go take play, maybe they can say, oh yeah, you kiss Beauty and Beauty there with Groovy. You go before they come go they say, I say Beauty like Groovy where. Before you can't go to if you say the way you take kiss that girl, I don't like him and also I think everybody was just trying to be safe and all.
Now if you do truth or dare, Saturday wahala go there. I
think say beginning to ban relationship inside the house.
But the ship, it part of the show, Sha.
I know they like that. That ship they spoil things.
It is spoil things. Me, I don't like him.
You don't like him too.
So
you're leaving. All right. And so where do people go follow you, Pharmsavi? And yeah, make I give shout out to Pharmsavi's mom, Mommy Savior, and Daddy Savior. And yes, I'll be very big fan too. Wazobia FM.
Yes,
God, I go to scream on her name every day. Now, bless when I come work, I go say, good afternoon, Mommy Savior. I love Una so much. Thank you. When I get a star for Una hand.
Oh, Cheche.
So good.
My mommy like you die. My dad like you die. Trust me. I swear.
Awesome. So, Pharmsavi, tell the people where to follow you and on top social media platform.
Okay.
And how far you don't check your DM since you come out?
Oh, I never really take time check DM. I've been going for media rounds and a whole lot, so I never really sit down answer DM. I beg Mona no verse. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for everything. But I beg mostly continue the love. Well, for all my social media handles now, Pharmsavi at Pharmsavi PHARMSAVI. I beg both Twitter, Instagram, TikTok na Pharmsavi. Then my Facebook na Pharmsavior Ikin, Pharmsavior Akpanikin.
Okay.
I beg, make una try show love and thank you so much.
You been cook this thing ekpan cook for house. You know cook
the ingredients no day.
Why not go send it? Chebi then send people and make you buy some.
It's very expensive.
Even a fang. We wanted to buy a fang, but
I mean they expect make you cook a fang.
Yeah, I say everybody need to agree.
Okay, when una they choose where to una want, they very expensive.
Yeah, it was very expensive, and if you buy a fan, come buy all those things before you know pocket money. Okay, I don't feel.
Buy salt. I don't tell people that people give us salt for this.
Go buy
you want me put them rich.
People say, are you sending Big Brother to the market?
Oh, God, they say you go market and beg. All right, Kess to you.
Yeah, for my social media, you go find me on Instagram. Official King_Kess.
Yeah.
For Facebook na Kess address. For Twitter na Sakess1.
Okay.
For TikTok na Sakess. So na those places you will find me. I be wanna follow me. Yeah, thank you. I love una so much.
And they love you too. But okay. But check your DM, Sha.
I will.
You sure say you never check them?
I never check. They take our phone.
They check that.
They take our phone.
They take them. I know.
Yeah.
I know. But you never check them.
Never check
Hopefully,
them,
when you check them, you will tell us. I'm wishing you all the best. And we dey here like you guys take over already.
Yeah.
We already did there and everything. And look out for Beauty.
Yeah,
I would like to see both of you now also put
Yeah.
out information out there. So what will continue to the roots for who will be the winner for the year. And of course, I know soon I go there everywhere doing your thing.
Yeah.
Lagos, so there you have it. Now that much go fit take for today. The rest you go see I'm for pictures for reels. I trust digital to come true. Till next time, fake eviction. They not evict anybody this.
So annoying.
And they annoy you, right?
I
The same thing with you, Pharmsavi.
Yeah, it's very annoying
Imagine.
at this point. So if I just at least make I even enter this week, make I know say now they go, man. But it's the game. It
All
don't
right.
happen.
All right, Lagos. And we they come back next. It go be Women's Corner. The name is still Chacha Smith. You there on top of Wazobia FM.
Yeah, Aba, Ikeja, Ikorodu, Aja, Mushin, Lekki. Something big don land this August.
Wazobia Chukumat community. Oh yeah, make we gather all the Wazobia fans. Come join body with Wazobia FM OAPs. Plenty games go day, jolly match go day, hype go day, dance go day, question and answer go day, giveaway go day, everything yafun, all for you, our fans.
The date now 27th of August 2022. Time now 12 p.m. to 4 p.m.
The venue na Crystal Car Parking Center. We're there for Sabo inside Yaba for Lagos.
Wazobia Chukumat community. This one go loud, no miss.
Proudly sponsored by Minimi Instant Noodles.